Welcome back. Now you can also access your Microsoft Word documents on your mobile device. What you'll need is your Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. So you'll need to either go to your Android or iPhone store to get it. You'll then click Get. Once you have it, you'll then click Open. You'll then need to sign in to the same account that you use when you're working with your Microsoft Word documents. And so if you have been saving your documents to your OneDrive application, you can access those same documents from OneDrive through your mobile device. So in this case, we're going to access a document that has been saved to OneDrive. And if you were to access the document when you were looking at your desktop, what you'll notice is that the ability to save the document is no longer there because the document is now being auto-saved to your OneDrive. And so we can then access the document on OneDrive. Once we have resaved the document, we can then begin working with the document here inside of our mobile device. And we can typically also use the landscape mode. Now what we can do with the new copy is we can make sure our autosave is going to be turned on. And then when we go back to our desktop, we can access this version that we have been working on in our mobile device. And we can access this document from the desktop and open it on our personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.